I'm also good. At first, many thanks to DTO for giving chance to share my thoughts. Do you know me? I'm Alamin. I'm from Bangladesh. Today I'm going to share how to reduce belly fat. To reduce fat, you do a variety of diet, but it is not right to do this without the doctor's advice, because it will be only reduce the fat but will cause different types of physical damage. But there are some foods that help you reduce fat, so let's know about some foods that eat less fat. First, number 1, date. Some date can reduce appetite for many moments, so eat 3 or 5 dates daily. It will lose weight. Number 2, cashew. Bad cholesterol replace good cholesterol with this nut, so we should eat regularly. At last, number 3, raisins. Many people guess the food are sweet because of the taste of the fat, and they keep away. In fact, its role in reducing fat in immunity, so we should this food regularly. That's it. No more today. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye. Take care.